Hi everyone, I'm Chef Henry Hill, joining you in the lab today on behalf of the Almond Board of California. We're going to be talking about two unique almond ingredients, defatted almond flour and almond milk. We're going to be going over the production process behind these ingredients. We're going to be talking about some tips and tricks on how to formulate with them and look at some final applications. So let's get started with defatted almond flour. Defatted almond flour is uniquely low in fat, low in carbohydrates, and high in protein, which make it an excellent clean label binder, bulking agent, or clean tasting protein to add to just about any formulation you might be working on. Today, we're going to be looking at defatted almond flour in tortillas. It makes it a great bulking agent to help with some of the dexterity of these tortillas, but also crisps up wonderfully, which is why we chose to showcase them today in plant-based quesadillas. We're using plant-based cheddar and Monterey Jack cheeses, almond flour quesadillas, homemade salsas, and guacamole. Looking at almond milk, this ingredient, on the other hand, is going to start its life off in what's a giant blender known as a liquiverter. Almonds are added to the tank with water and then blended with emulsifiers, flavorings, and sometimes supplements like vitamin D. This instrument right here is a lab scale rotor-stator homogenizer, exactly the type of instrument that we would use when formulating a plant-based milk on the bench like almond milk. We're going to be looking at formulating ice cream a little bit. And one of the tricks that I use during this process is measuring melt time. And the way that we're doing that here is by keeping a screen over a funnel and allowing the ice cream to melt into the container underneath over a period of time. We're going to measure the amount that melts and record the results. From here, we can enjoy it simply with a spoon or dress it up a little bit in another final application. Today we have an almond milk kakigori with strawberries, lychee, candied almonds, kiwi, brown sugar boba, and of course, some wonderful almond milk ice cream. So thanks for joining me today as we went over some tips and tricks on how to formulate with defatted almond flour and almond milk on the bench. I'm looking forward to see what you come up with the tricks that we've covered today. On behalf of the Almond Board of California, I'm Henry Hill, and thanks for joining us.